Did you know that menopause can increase your risk of anxiety and depression by up to 300%? In addition to hot flashes and night sweats, hormonal changes can lead to mental health issues. Let me tell you a quick story about Ariana. She was a 48-year-old woman I treated a few months ago. She came to see me as she was struggling with severe anxiety. Ariana had no anxiety symptoms until she turned 47, which coincided with her perimenopausal symptoms. She complained of racing thoughts, irritability, muscle tension, restlessness, feeling on edge, and difficulty concentrating. Before we get to the solutions, let's talk about 7 mental health disorders that can affect women in menopause. Number 1, anxiety disorders. These are actually very common, and studies show that up to 51% of perimenopausal women experience symptoms of anxiety, even if they've never struggled with it before. Feelings of fear, nervousness, tension, apprehension, irritability, and difficulty focusing are common. Physical symptoms like heart racing, rapid breathing, and sweating can also occur. Some women may experience panic attacks with pounding heart, sweating, shortness of breath, chest pain, dizziness, and even fear of dying. Research published in the Journal of Affective Disorders highlights that fluctuating hormone levels, especially estrogen, can heighten activity in the amygdala, the brain's fear center, contributing to these symptoms. Other factors that contribute to anxiety during menopause are sleep problems, vasomotor symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats, and midlife stresses like aging parents, kids leaving home, career, and finances. Number 2, mood disorders. Major depressive disorder (MDD), commonly referred to as depression, is also common in menopause. According to the DSM-5, a guide for diagnosing mental health disorders published by the American Psychiatric Association, the criteria for MDD includes persistent sadness, loss of interest in activities, and symptoms like sleep changes or fatigue lasting at least 2 weeks. According to a study in Menopause, the Journal of the Menopause Society, about 20% of women going through perimenopause meet the criteria for MDD. Additionally, the same study shows that women with a history of depression are more likely to experience a recurrence during the stage. Mood swings, sometimes referred to as emotional dysregulation, is not a DSM-5 diagnosis, but this is quite common in menopausal women. These rapid shifts in mood can make you feel out of control of your feelings. It's like your emotions have taken a life of their own, swinging wildly from one extreme to another. These mood swings can make it hard to feel like yourself. They could strain your relationships or leave you feeling emotionally exhausted. They can sometimes mimic symptoms of bipolar disorder, but it is important to know that these are driven by your hormones. Irritability is another common symptom of menopause. A 2018 study in the journal Psychoneuroendocrinology found that 70% of menopausal women reported heightened irritability. Little things such as the sound of your partner chewing, the kids leaving their shoes in the hallway, or innocent words from coworkers can trigger unexpected irritation and frustration. Number 3, sleep disorders. Insomnia affects 40 to 60% of menopausal women, according to the National Sleep Foundation. The DSM-5 defines insomnia disorder as difficulty falling or staying asleep at least 3 nights per week for 3 months, causing significant distress or impairment. Night sweats caused by hormone fluctuations often disrupt sleep cycles, creating a vicious cycle of fatigue and emotional instability. Research in sleep medicine clinics indicates that poor sleep during menopause increases the risk of anxiety and depression by as much as 300%. Number 4, cognitive impairment and brain fog. Brain fog, though not a diagnosable condition, is a real and pervasive experience for many menopausal women. Symptoms mirror mild neurocognitive impairment, including forgetfulness, difficulty concentrating, and slowed processing speed. A 2021 study in neurology found that up to 60% of midlife women report memory issues or cognitive lapses. These problems are closely tied to drops in estrogen, which supports brain functions like memory and verbal fluency. This foggy feeling can interfere with your confidence and productivity, whether at work, managing your home, or trying to engage in a conversation. Number 5. Sexual dysfunction and low libido. The DSM-5 recognizes female sexual interest and arousal disorder, which includes a lack of sexual desire, absent fantasies, or reduced pleasure. Studies show that up to 50% of menopausal women experience low libido, often driven by hormonal changes. A study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine suggests that vaginal dryness, a common symptom due to low estrogen, worsens this issue, creating a cycle of discomfort and avoidance. Number 6. Adjustment disorders. The DSM-5 defines adjustment disorders as emotional or behavioral symptoms in response to a significant life change. For many women, menopause itself is the stressor. A study in the Archives of Women's Mental Health highlights that up to 15% of menopausal women meet the criteria for an adjustment disorder, reporting feelings of grief, anxiety, or depression linked to the transition and its societal implications. Other midlife stressors that can lead to an adjustment disorder include caregiving responsibilities, loss of parents, health concerns, being empty nesters, and financial pressures. Number 7. Substance-related disorders. Coping with menopause's emotional and physical challenges can sometimes lead to reliance on substances like alcohol. According to the CDC, alcohol misuse rises in women aged 45 to 60, with about 13% meeting the criteria for risky drinking patterns. This highlights the need for proactive mental health support during this phase. So we all know that in menopause, your hormones decline. But what exactly leads to the changes at the cellular level? What's the root cause of the symptoms you experience? Studies show that a drop in estrogen levels worsens brain inflammation, which could aggravate anxiety, depression, and brain fog. Think of it like a car engine overheating without enough coolant. Low hormone levels also disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria, causing dysbiosis. This causes toxins to leak into the bloodstream, worsening inflammation in the brain. In addition, estrogen helps mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. When these are not functioning optimally, you can feel fatigued and emotionally drained. Here is the good news though. You don't have to deal with all of these issues. There are solutions, and they work best when tailored to your specific needs, as everyone is different. Hormone Replacement Therapy (HRT) can restore balance by replenishing estrogen and progesterone levels. Antidepressants and anti-anxiety medications can help you if you're dealing with severe symptoms. Cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) is beneficial for managing anxiety and depression. It is also essential to incorporate a holistic approach using the lifestyle medicine pillars: nutrition, physical activity, sleep, stress management, social connectedness, and avoiding harmful substances. Check out this next video for more tips to improve your menopausal mental and physical health.